Here's some natural philosophy trivia. Subscribe. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Is it A. Nikola Tesla, B. Isaac Newton, C. Albert Einstein, or D. Marie Curie? The correct answer is C. Albert Einstein. What is the primary unit of force? Is it A. pound, B. Newton, C. Pascal, or D. joule? The correct answer is B. Newton. What describes the bending of light? Is it A. reflection, B. absorption, C. scattering, or D. refraction? The correct answer is D. refraction. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Is it A. Michael Faraday, B. Galileo Galilei, C. Niels Bohr, or D. Johannes Kepler? The correct answer is B. Galileo Galilei. What principle explains buoyancy? Is it A. Bernoulli's equation, B. Newton's third law, C. Pascal's law, or D. Archimedes' principle? The correct answer is D. Archimedes' principle. What is the term for energy conservation in a system? Is it A. potential energy, B. kinetics, C. thermodynamics, or D. fluid dynamics? The correct answer is C. thermodynamics. What is the smallest unit of matter? Is it A. atom, B. molecule, C. proton, or D. subatomic particle? The correct answer is A. atom. Who developed the laws of motion? Is it A. Isaac Newton, B. Johannes Kepler, C. Galileo Galilei, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is A. Isaac Newton. What phenomenon explains the gravitational attraction? Is it A. magnetism, B. friction, C. electromagnetism, or D. gravity? The correct answer is D. gravity. What are the four fundamental forces? Is it A. friction, B. magnetism, C. gravity, electromagnetism, strong, weak, or D. radiation? The correct answer is C. gravity, electromagnetism, strong, weak. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.